Another bullish week for Nasdaq 100. It failed to go past 11,400, the milestone there, the stronger resistance zone I have always maintained, and since then retraced a little, but again towards the close of the week a very strong reversal. It is still try to close below 11,400. So next week one thing is very certain, above 11,400 stay long. I will look forward to 11,500, 650 as the next target, and beyond that it will try to achieve 11,840, 12,000 levels. So this is what we can see, but we will try to see further in detail which position you should take in order to profit next week. We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Towards the end of the analysis I will give you the trading levels and strategy for next week. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully. And those who are missing to subscribe this channel are missing the profits, because I do share my daily update twice a day. In fact, I update the analysis and targets for Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones very early in the day with the Asia session, and next with the US cash session. So do press the bell icon also. Let's first have a look at the daily charts. On the daily chart, see, it has certainly got the support here at 10,700 levels. And now the support at 11,000. 11,000 definitely. 11,000 I have told you last week also, 10,970, 10,950. These two levels are definitely very strong support levels for Nasdaq 100. Only if it trades above this, below this, certainly you can expect little more bearishness. Only if it sustains below this zone, certainly you can expect little more bearishness. See, once it tried to breach, reversed, and again try to retrace again on the upside. Also look at the highs here. See, it is tried to close above the highs of the previous closing there, indicating the bullishness. Yes, next week if you see it trading above 11,400, certainly stay long. You can consider this as breakout. See, two green candles, two red candles, two green candles can be expected, which might take it till towards 11,400, 11,500, 11,650, and then 11,840, 12,000 levels cannot be denied. It is trying to retrace, but whether it is possible. Now look at the daily charts, how it has traded since last few days. It has tried to trade in this channel since last few days, and you can find out the highs of this channel are again at around 11,400, 500 levels. Certainly bullish confirmation on Nasdaq 100 is only if it trades above 11,500. You can confirm that this is going to be another bullish week. Hence you have to wait for it to breach past 11,500 levels. Till then you have to trade with a trailing stop loss. Now this is on the daily charts. Let's have a look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts to see lower highs, and you can find out it is tried to give you almost flat top. Yes, there is a little resistance here, and breaking past 11,400, certainly you can stay long. So I will wait for it to breach past this zone at 11,380, 400. Certainly beyond that 11,400 you can expect more bullishness. Also if you look at, see, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, and now it is trying to take the third wave out. Possibly it is trying to achieve the highs out there, and you cannot deny 11,600 levels. 11,600, 650 is the next target which it is trying to achieve. Achieving those, it may try to stabilize a bit before trying to take the next direction, and hence you can stay long above 11,380, 400 zone, certainly beyond which you can expect more bullishness. At the same time, 11,000 is the very strong resistance zone on the downside. Only if it trades below 11,000, confirm it for the bearishness there. Now let's come to the weekly charts out there. On the weekly charts, see, previous two candle, lower highs, lower lows, and this is a breakout candle. Now in fact, despite this being the breakout candle, it failed to go past the highs of this channel. Hence I will wait for next week. I will wait for it to go past 11,400. Certainly beyond 11,400 one can further stay long for. In fact, you can expect 11,800 to 12,000 levels. Yes, you can expect this zone, and probably trading above that only you can confirm that this has reversed. Till the time you can see it is still trying to trade within this channel. The highs of this channel are very nearby 11,500, 650 zone, and certainly above which further more bullishness can be expected, which might take it till towards 12,000, the next destination. Hence the caution zone is very nearby now. Now let's have a look at the monthly chart. On the monthly charts, it has breached the support at 11,000, which was a very stronger support. I have always maintained my prediction for 11,000 was way back in the year beginning at when Nasdaq 100 was trading at around 15,000. I predicted 11,000. See, this time it has breached 11,000. In fact, went till towards 10,400, 10,350 zone, and it indicated that now it is ready and now it is prepared to achieve the next milestone. First target at 9,600 and then at 9,500. Now it is trying to again fall back in the zone, but it does not mean that it has eliminated the bearishness. Also, we expected that there could be a third red candle. It tried to trade bearish, but it is getting the support. However, it does not completely eliminate the possibility of the third red candle, because somewhere it can try to achieve this zone at 11,800, 12,000, retracing a little towards the beginning of the first month, and possibly from here a complete reversal and a red candle cannot be denied, which might in fact take it below 10,000 levels for next month. So hence you have to be cautious till the time it trades below the zone at 12,000 levels next month and this month. Till the time it trades below 12,000, I will not confirm this for a bullish reversal. So I'll wait for it to trade past 12,000, and then certainly you can expect that for the next month also we may see a little rise. Hence we have to be cautious. If it trades about 12,000 in the coming months, you can expect that it is trying to achieve the highs, which can be somewhere here at around 12,400, 12,400, 12,800, and then 13,000, beyond which a reversal can be confirmed. Till the time it trades below this, it is still very much in the bearish zone, and my next target is still towards 9,000, 9,600 zone. So we have seen the charts. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. What are the indicators are suggesting here? And let's have a look from the monthly charts itself. You can find out the 50 months average is giving a support here, and it is trying to trade above this. The 20 months average is far away at 14,000 level, a distant dream for NASDAQ100 now, but yes, can be achieved. These are markets. Everything is possible. Look at the directional movement. This is extremely divergent and bearish. And also look at this, why it tried to bounce back this month. See the width of the Bollinger Bands. It traded outside the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, and that is why a pullback is there. Possibly the next monthly candle when it is there, definitely the Bollinger Bands would have expanded, and in fact next month also it can continue with the bearish momentum, taking it below 10,000 levels. Very much possible. These are markets. Directional movement, divergent and bearish on the monthly chart. This is happening after long, and hence it can continue with this bearish momentum. You have to stay cautious. Look at the stochastic. This is entering again in the oversold zone. I wait for this candle for it to close. See, it can sustain overbought levels for months. It has to sustain the oversold levels for a little while. I'll wait for it to do so. The MACD is also divergent and bearish. It can possibly cross over on the sell side, and yes, it has to do so. It has traded strongly on the overbought levels since long, and now this is looking vertically downwards. I will expect for it to achieve for the lows. RSI looking downwards. So yes, on the monthly chart it appears a little retracement cannot be denied till towards 11,800, 12,000 levels. Possibly next week, yes, you can expect a little rise. And next week, when beginning the month of November, when the Fed interest rate hike is also expected, and the monthly inflation data will also get released, and that time possibly the market will decide the direction and course for the next couple of months. So we have to wait and watch a little. And yes, this week probably a little retracement on the upside cannot be denied. We can expect a little bullishness there. Now look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, you will find there is a 50 and 100 week crossover which has happened. This is the 50 weeks. This is the 100 weeks moving average. This is divergent. This is indicating that yes, there is bearishness. There is a strong bearishness. Also, if you look at the 20 period moving average, this is also far away, indicating bearishness in Nasdaq 100. And if you look at the directional movement, this is divergent and bearish. Stochastic is trading oversold, and that is why we can see a reversal here. We can see a rise here probably this week, and next week it may continue with a little rise. It can achieve 12,000, 12,400 levels. Possibly achieving those levels, it can again try to reverse on the downside. So yes, it was trading oversold. Now looking upwards, a little rise next week cannot be denied. The MACD trying to diverge, it can start to converge from here, and probably a crossover on the bullish side will make it further bullish, strengthen the position of it to rise from here. RSI reversing from little, shying from the oversold zone on the weekly charts. Now let's have a look at the most important one, the daily charts. On the daily charts, there is a 50 and 100 period crossover, and yes, this is divergent. This is indicating that last 50 days average has been traded bearish. Last 50 days it is traded bearish in the past, what we had seen for last 100 days. Also look at the 20 period moving average. This is stabilized. This is horizontal, indicating that in the near term we had seen a flatter move in Nasdaq 100. A possibility of a reversal exists from here. A possibility of a little rise exists from here. 11,650, 11,800, 12,000 levels. Certainly very strong resistance zone and very strong achievable zones also. On the downside, you have to be careful of 11,200 and 11,000, below which certainly more bearishness can be expected. Directional movement not indicative of anything. Stochastic looking downwards here. It has achieved the highs. Probably we may see it consolidating a bit. The MACD divergent and bullish, probably it may try to look little upwards before it tries to trade with the sell there. RSI looking upwards too. So we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for us to define the strategy and levels for the next week. And yes, if you want to learn this art of identifying the profitable trades, taking the right entries and right exits at the right time, you can join my mentorship batch. And definitely the strategy is taught, the technical analysis taught, the way we teach, the methodology definitely will help you become a proficient and profitable trader. And reach out to me for more details on my 16th mentorship batch, which is going to start on 7th of November. Be a part of it. Only few seats are left. Grab your seats now. Also, you can see what we make and see the signals channel. The performance of the signals channel is posted in the communities tab, and you can find out why do we recommend this training. And yes, if you do not have time to learn, you can join my signals channel, where just trading as per the signals you can make thousands of pips. See the just last 4 weeks performance, which is posted here in the communities tab. Also, if you want to have a look at the channel's performance, and before joining, you can, I will make you a member of the channel, and you can have a look at the past performance before you decide to join. So yes, reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video descriptions. Those are the only official IDs where you can connect to me. Rest everywhere, it's all spammers, it's all fraudsters which are trying to contact you. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. So next week, yes, if you see it trading above this zone at 11,350, you can buy. Expect 11,380, 11,418. These three levels. Mark out these levels. These three levels. This is going to provide the toughest resistance. Yes, if it trades above 11,400, the next direction is 11,500. This is the next destination. Beyond this, I will look forward to 11,580, 11,640, 50 zone. I will rather say 11,650. Yes, beyond this, directly it will try to land for 11,800, 11,840. And if this is taken, then 11,950 and 12,000. Remember, 12,000 is going to provide a very strong resistance. It is 750 points shy of it. Yes, 650 points shy of it. Yes, it can achieve this. This is nothing for NASDAQ100. If it can drop 1,000 points in a week, it can recover 650 points at least a week. Yes, you cannot deny 11,800 levels possibly achievable if it continues to trade above 11,400, 500 levels, and then 650. See, I will mark the levels for you. This is going to be very tough nut to crack, and these two levels above 11,650, certainly I will be 70 to 80% bullish. A little retracement, and then achieving 11,800 to 950, 12,000 zone can be expected. And above 11,500, certainly I will be 50% bullish. Beyond 11,400, yes, one can definitely remain bullish, and one can expect that there little probability is there for it to reverse definitely. Now on the downside, where you should sell. Now the levels to sell are little far away. Yes, I will only recommend you to sell NASDAQ100 at 11,240. Then one can expect 11,180 and 140. These are the three levels, very strong support zone. And in fact 11,100, the next support. Below this you can expect 11,000, the next support, and 10,950. Till the time it trades about 10,950, 11,000, I will not recommend you to remain short on NASDAQ100. There is a probability of a reversal. But below 10,950, I will not recommend you to stay long. Probability of it to achieve 10,840, 10,700, 10, and below that further lows can be expected till towards 10,500. The chances for this to happen are very, very minimal. I will be bullish for next week. Probably we can expect a little rise, but then my bias should not be mixed with the trading levels. You have to trade as per the trading levels. In fact, I trade as per the trading levels. The target is to capture 200, 300 points of a move a day for NASDAQ100, Dow Jones inclusive. And probably if I do so, definitely that's the day for me. So you can trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss, eliminate your bias, and definitely you can win the situation. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Thank you very much again.